How to prevent someone from seeing your post on Facebook without unfriending them. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can stop someone from seeing your post on Facebook without needing to unfriend or block them. Now, without further ado, let's get started. So, first thing first, open up the Facebook app and make sure that you are logged in into your account. Once you are logged in, you will see the main interface. From there, tap on the three-line menu shown on the top right corner of the screen and you will enter the menu section. Once you are inside the menu section, simply tap on the gear icon shown on the top right corner of the screen and you will enter the settings page. Once you are in the settings page, simply tap on the search icon shown on the top right corner. Once you see the interface like this, simply type "Who can see your future post" on search bar. Once you have typed that, simply search for that option. And once you have found it, simply tap on it. So by default, your audience might be set to public or friends. To restrict someone, select Friends Accept. A search bar will appear. Type the name of the person you want to restrict from seeing your post. Or you can simply select the person that you don't want to show your post. Once you are done with selecting the person, you can simply tap on Done. And that's it. You have successfully prevented someone from seeing your post on Facebook. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.